নমস্কার, সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাই আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, মাই নেম ইজ Preeta and you're with Learn Bengali, who makes learning Bengali fun and easy. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the fourth letter of Shorvarno, which is Dirghoi. Before we start our today's lesson, I want to tell you guys something that, as you all know, that I give 5 examples on my each videos that help you to more understand each and every letter of Shorvarno. But on my further videos and on this video also, I'm going to give you 3 examples, not 5, because I am not having very much time to create videos nowadays, because I'm little bit busy because of my studies. And also, let's do not waste time and let's get started with our today's lesson. Those of you who don't know, I'm just repeating it for them. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write the fourth letter of Shorvarno, which is Dirghoi. And the second point is I will be giving you 3 examples of Dirghoi, which will help you to understand it more carefully, and that will exactly help you to pronounce it like more Bengalis. So do not waste any time and let's get started with our today's lesson. How to write Dirghoi? As you all know that we have to give this stroke. This is called matra, and this always becomes the first stroke. Then the second stroke will be like, you just have to create one circle, a small circle, then like this, then like this. This is called the second stroke. The third stroke is, it's sticky. I know that it's a very tricky method, but you have to practice it, then you will be able to write Dirghoi. So let's write once more. First stroke, a small circle, and we just have to like this, and from this point we just have to attach over there, and from there to this. This is the second stroke, and the third stroke is, it's sticky. Now this is called Dirghoi. You guys have a close towards it. So it is a closer look. This is the first stroke, and you just have to create one circle, and then like this, it will become your second stroke. And the third stroke is, it's sticky. This stroke is called ticky. So this is your Dirghoi. Now 3 examples of Dirghoi are, the first example is Ishwar. 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 Ishwar means God. Now the second example of Dirghoi is Eagle. Eagle. So guess that what it's mean. It is related to something like, yes, you are right. It's eagle. So eagle means eagle. It's a loan word. Now the third example is Ishan. 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 Ishan means it is basically Lord Shiva. Ishan means Lord Shiva. Otherwise it's a name. So here are the 3 examples of Dirghoi. You guys have a close look towards it. Here are the 3 examples with closer view. So it's Ishwar, Eagle, Ishan. Ishwar, Eagle, Ishan. You guys may have noticed that letters Horsoi and Dirghoi, they both pronounced similar as E. but the name of these two letters are different. Number one is Hoshroi, number two is Dirghoi. They both pronounced no, not pronounced. The name of both letters are different, but the pronunciation is same, both pronounced as E. It is very difficult to understand for beginners or to differentiate between Hoshroi and Dirghoi, but trust me, it is not that difficult. If your focus is to learn Bengali, then you can definitely differentiate between Hoshroi and Dirghoi without any confusion in your mind. Question me that the letter O and A, the name of that letters are same as the pronunciation. Yes, it is true that the name of that letter and the pronunciations are same, but in the case of Hoshroi and Dirghoi, they are totally different. Now you have understood that what are the difference between Hoshroi and Dirghoi and O and A. So let's end our today's session over here, and hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Wait. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my channel, and if you have any doubt, comment me below. I'll definitely reply to you. Till then, keep watching Learn Bengali, who makes learning Bengali fun and easy. Bye.